Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to connect with you all today. I'm excited to share some insights and have a great discussion. Have you ever wondered how mountains form, rivers flow, or dams are safely built? Well, the answer lies in structural geology. Structural geology is the study of rock structures in the Earth's crust. It shows us how rocks fold, break, and form layers over time because of forces like stress, pressure, and tectonic movement. And basically, it's like reading the Earth's history book written in rocks. It reveals fascinating stories about our planet's past. Understanding structural geology is crucial for engineering projects, environmental safety, and resource management in various critical applications. Without it, building a dam, bridge, or even predicting earthquakes would be risky. Take a dam, for example. Engineers study the rock layers beneath it to make sure it can safely hold water. Think of it like checking your home water tank's foundation before filling it up. Same idea, but on a bigger scale. Structural geology also helps us plan safe towns and cities by studying river sediment layers, floodplains, and earthquake zones. Planners can avoid dangerous areas and reduce risks to people and property. This proactive approach ensures community safety. Mining and oil exploration, rock folds and faults tell us where to drill safely. Studying underground rock layers ensures efficient resource extraction while keeping workers safe and minimizing environmental impact for a sustainable future. Even mountains tell a story. Folded rocks in mountains show stress patterns over millions of years. Understanding these patterns helps predict landslides and earthquakes, protecting both people and resources. So remember, rocks have shapes, layers, and arrangements, which are all key characteristics that tell us about their geological history and formation process. Folds, faults, and stress patterns affect construction, mining, and safety in significant ways that are important to understand for any project. Using real-life examples makes complex concepts easier to understand. Structural geology is truly the foundation for safe engineering. Curious about the Earth? There is so much to learn, so subscribe for more amazing facts and discoveries.